What's up? So for anybody who doesn't know, KTM just released their 2021 6 days Italy edition bikes. So there's the 300 EXC. Let's go down to the 500 EXC. Where are you? Check that out, guys. Pretty sharp. You know, white plastic, a lot of red, a lot of green, but the green is, you know, it's that shade of green I like. It's a little different. It's not a cowy green and it's not a dark green. It really pops there on the shroud. Wasn't 100% sold at first glance, but the more I look at it, the more I like it. Obviously, has the 6 days on the exhaust, which is cool. You know, has the triple clamps and the axle puller, all the little bling. You know, there's the regular, which I'm partial to gray anyway, but just something about having one of these special editions. Those, you know, the France bikes that were red, white, and blue, and the Spains and stuff. Is just something different about these bikes. So 256 days. See if we can get a list of everything it comes with here. So yeah, the 6 days have the handlebars with the 6 days logo on top. You got the special graphics. It's got its own seat, so that's pretty cool. You get the map switch. You get the special silencer, machined orange anodized triple clamps. Comes with a radiator fan, floating front brake disc, solid rear disc, Super Sprock Stealth 2-component rear sprocket, and with front axle puller and an orange chain guide. So definitely looks sharp, guys. I think these will be available for dealers to order in October, and we will probably get one of these here. And if and when we do, I will do a walk around, and I will do it with a good quality camera on a gimbal too, so I'm not putting that shaky stabilization effect in some of the walk arounds. So yeah, just wanted to let you guys know that this is out now, and be on the lookout for this to come into your dealerships. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.